Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change the About Me on Roblox. So this is the section on your account which tells people a bit about yourself. It's sort of like a bio/profile section. And if you find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So what we're going to do first is open up a new browser, and we want to come across to roblox.com, and then from here you can see I'm already logged in, so if you're not, then just go ahead and log into your account. And to actually change your About Me section, it's actually very simple to do. All you want to do is click the menu in the top left hand corner, so the three lines up here, and then you want to come down to Profile, and then straight away from here you'll see it's going to bring up your Profile tab, and you'll see the first box is actually an About Me section, so you can put something in here like whatever you want to. Obviously, as it says, keep yourself safe, don't share any personal details online, so don't put things like your phone number or email address or anything like that. Also, don't put any sort of profanity, obscene words or anything like that, because what's going to happen is you're probably going to end up getting banned. So you just want to put something brief and simple like I am the digital tutor. This is just an example, so I like pizza. And you know, you can go a bit more detailed or just one line. It's up to you what you want to do. Once you've done that, all you want to do is come down and click the save button down here, and you'll see that's now taken effect and has changed. So whenever people come to view my profile now and they come and see my About Me section, they'll see I've got a little bio filled in. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. And if you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.